Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram filters for perfectly edited posts. So if you want to upload a photo to Instagram and want your Instagram post to stand out with perfect edits, you can use Instagram filters to enhance your photos and create stunning visuals. So in here, what you need to do first is of course open the Instagram application. Okay, so once you on Instagram homepage to start posting your photo, you can tap on this plus icon at the bottom, and here make sure that the tab is on the post option, and now you can just choose the photo that you want to upload. So for example, I'm going to just post, let's try to post a selfie. Let's try this one right here. And now you can just tap on next at the top. Okay, you can see find your vibe, explore and customize new filters for every mood. Here you can just tap on this filter icon at the bottom of your photo, and here you can see this is the filter. There are so many filter that you can choose. This one is Paris, Los Angeles, fade warm, fade cool, simple, simple warm, simple cool. So just choose which one that you think suits with your photo. So let's try. I'm going to just go with the fade option, and here if you want to adjust it, you can see at the bottom, tap again to adjust. You can tap again. Here you can adjust the intensity of the filter to how you like it. I'm going to go with 80 for example. You can tap on done, and here you can also tap on this adjust option to adjust the manually adjust the coloring of your photo. You can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the contrast, and the warm saturation color and everything. And when you are done, tap on done and tap on next again, and this is the result with the filter. You can see the difference, right? And you can just tap on write on your captions, add music if you want to, and then tap on share. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.